Oh, hi everyone, this is my video. We are going to teach you about nature and Easter. And come on, guys, and follow me. That's when you go. That is an Easter egg. We don't normally eat them. There's no tiny chocolates inside. So we use them as for Easter. And there's another one hiding in the bush. And I think it's new over here, so I have to be very careful. Because they aren't so precious. And that's the one. They both are sort of in the same place, not together. Okay? So we could carry on our walk, and that's one of the eggs. We hid in there because it's fine. Oh, I think I found one somewhere. Just in the red. I think it's somewhere around. Oh, there it is. It's super hiding spot where we can see it. That's over there. It keeps hiding from us because it's under the branches. So we could carry on now. That yellow one is one of the ones that we always saw already. Some of them are twins. So maybe we could just carry on with our walk. I think we just passed one. Oh, that yellow one is covered in the daisies because it's yellow and purple. Some are yellow and purple too. So maybe we could just carry on when we find another one. And that is one behind these reeds because it's super placed. And you know it's pretty great. And I buried one here. Oh, and look, this is a feather about nature. We use the about nature. And this Easter egg is about brand new life. Like a baby chick is born in the egg. We hid this green one over here in a tree because it's green, light green. And it could fit in there. That's a horse you heard. So that's something about nature too. And this is the last day. It was over here since we were here. Good luck, guys. See you until next video. And that's when you gotta stop.